Hello friends. How are you? Hope you will be fine. Today I am here with new video, in which I will tell you how to earn money in the best and simple way. You know that YouTube pays money to the YouTube content creators, but YouTube allows only copyright-free videos and music. Today I will tell you how to get copyright-free videos and music. No need to record videos or capture video. You only have to download and upload videos on YouTube in your own way of creation. I recommend you to watch the full video because the last part of this video is very important part, so don't miss that. Let's get started. Open the browser and search for Pixabay. Here you will get unlimited copyright-free videos and images and musics. Let I show you. You can download this from here. You can search which you needs. You can download this video from here. Here you will get unlimited music for your video and you can download them also. Open the browser. Search for Pexels. Here you will get unlimited photos and videos. Search your own needed video, open it and download them. Open the browser. Search for Mixkit. Here you will get unlimited copyright-free videos and music for YouTube. Search your video and music and download it. Open the browser and search for cover. This also provides you the best copyright-free videos. Search, open and download your video. Open the browser and search for video. Here you will get unlimited copyright-free videos, music and sound effects. Search the video, music, or sound effect, which you want, and download it. Now the last way to get copyright-free videos for YouTube channel is YouTube. Open the YouTube. Search the topic of your video which you want to upload. Now in the filter section, go to Creative Commons in the features section. Here each and every video in front of you is a copyright-free video. Download it and upload it on your channel. No need to edit the video. If you want, you can. This is already a created video by the creator of YouTube, only need to be uploaded. Now you will be thinking how to download YouTube videos. No problem, I have a solution. I had already uploaded a video on how to download YouTube videos. You will get the link in the description box or in the I button on upper right corner. Now, I will tell you some examples for what to download from the websites, which I told you before, and what to upload on YouTube. You can download videos related to animals and upload them as best, cute, funny animals. Nature and landscapes as best and beautiful natural scenes. Machines and gadgets videos as very useful machine and gadgets for daily life, and many more. Think by your own mind and create awesome videos. Download a number of videos and merge it and edit them on video editors. There is a link in the description box and in upper I button on best and free video editor with no watermark. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Like, comment and share the video, so that others can know about it.